Hello and welcome. You are listening to World of English, a podcast for friendly, patient, and helpful English learning.
That's right. A warm welcome to everyone from all over the world. I'm Ali.
And I'm Ina. We are so happy you are here with us today. Ali, how are you?
I am wonderful, Ina. I feel excited for today's topic. It is something very important for many of us.
Yes, absolutely. We will talk slowly, repeat many times, and practice together.
Our topic is how to talk about your education. We will learn words and sentences for school, for university, and for learning in your life.
So, if you need to write about your education, or talk in an interview, or just tell a new friend about your life, this podcast is for you.
We will start with simple words, then make longer sentences. Listen, repeat with us, and learn. You can do this.
Good. Let's begin with a very simple question, Ali. Where did you go to school?
Where did you go to school? This is a very common question. It means, what school did you study at? My answer is, I went to Green Hill School. Listeners, can you repeat the question? Where did you go to school?
Perfect. Now, a different question. What did you study? This is for university or college or special courses. Ali, what did you study?
I studied computer science. So I say, I studied computer science. Let's repeat that sentence. I studied computer science.
Wonderful. You are learning already. Today, we will practice these questions and many, many more. We will be like good friends talking about our learning stories.
Yes, and remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. We are here together. Let's start our main chat.
Let's start with school. School is for children and teenagers. Words we need: primary school, secondary school, high school. Subjects: teacher.
Yes, primary school is for young children, maybe 5 to 11 years old. Secondary school or high school is for teenagers. Ina, where did you go to school?
I went to Westwood Secondary School. It was a good school. My favorite subject was English.
Subject. A subject is what you learn, like math, science, history, geography, art. What was your favorite subject, listeners? Think about it. My favorite subject was... Good. Ina, who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Mr. Davies. He taught history. He was very kind and patient. How about you, Ollie?
My favorite teacher was Mrs. Kahn. She taught science. She made learning fun.
Let's make a full sentence about school. Listen, I went to Green Hill High School. My favorite subject was science, and my favorite teacher was Mrs. Kahn. Listeners, please repeat after Ollie.
I went to Green Hill High School. My favorite subject was science, and my favorite teacher was Mrs. Kahn.
Excellent. Now, sometimes we talk about our time at school. We can say, I finished school in 2010, or I graduated from high school in 2010. Graduated means you finished successfully.
Another important phrase, I was good at, and I was not very good at. For example, I was good at math. I was not very good at art. It's honest and simple.
Yes, practice with us. Say, I was good at science.
Now say, I was not very good at history.
Wonderful job. You were talking about your school life.
Now, let's talk about university or college. This is for higher education, after school. New words: university, college, degree, major, course, graduate, campus.
Yes, a common question is, did you go to university? The answer, yes, I did. Or no, I didn't.
If yes, the next question is, what did you study? Or what was your major? Your major is your main subject at university. I studied computer science, so that was my major.
So Ali can say, I went to university. I studied at City University. My major was computer science. Listeners, repeat that. My major was computer science.
When you finish university, you get a degree. You can say, I have a degree in computer science. or I have a bachelor's degree in engineering.
A very important sentence for job interviews. I graduated from City University with a degree in computer science. Let's say it together. I graduated from City University with a degree in computer science.
University life is different. You live on or near a campus. You take different courses. You write a long report called a thesis or dissertation.
You can say, I lived on campus, or I took a course in web design. Simple sentences are perfect. Education is not only school and university. We learn all our lives. We learn new skills. A skill is something you can do well.
Yes, you can learn a language, learn to cook, learn to use a computer. So we need phrases like, I am learning English. I am taking a cooking course. I learned how to design websites.
A great phrase is, I am passionate about learning. Passionate means you love it very much. You can be passionate about history, about technology, about art.
Another good word, self-taught. It means you learned by yourself without a teacher. I am self-taught in graphic design.
When you learn from work, you get experience. You can say, I learned a lot from my work experience. Or, I developed my communication skills at my job.
Let's practice a big, beautiful sentence about lifelong learning. Listen, I finished school a long time ago, but I still love learning. I am currently taking an online course about gardening. It's a new skill for me.
Wow, Allie, that's a great sentence. Listeners, let's break it down. Repeat after us.
I finished school a long time ago.
But I still love learning.
I am currently taking an online course.
About gardening.
It's a new skill for me.
Now try the whole sentence, slowly. We believe in you.
Fantastic! You are doing so well. This is how we talk about learning in our whole life.
We are near the end of our helpful talk. Let's recap. Let's repeat the key phrases we learned today.
For school, where did you go to school? I went to school name. My favorite subject was.
For university, did you go to university? Yes, I did. What was your major? My major was. I have a degree in.
For learning in life, I am learning. I am taking a course in. I am self-taught in. I want to develop my skills in.
Please repeat these phrases after us one more time. It's great practice.
Good job. You have worked hard today. Now for our fun community question. We love to connect with you.
Our question today is about learning. We want to know, what is one thing you learned recently? It can be anything, big or small.
Maybe you learned a new English word today. Maybe you learned how to make a new food. Maybe you learned a fact about science. Tell us.
Please share your answer in the comments. We read every one. It is a joy to learn about you. What is one thing you learned recently?
Now, are you ready for a little game?
Yes, it's game time. A short, fun quiz. We will play a guessing game. I will describe a word or phrase we learned today, and Allie will try to guess it. Then Allie will describe, and I will guess. You listeners try to guess too in your mind.
I'm ready. Let's start.
Okay, my first one. This is a place. Children go there from about age 5 to 11. They learn to read and write there. What is it?
Is it primary school?
Correct. Very good. Your turn.
Okay. This is a word. It is the main subject you study at university. For example, biology or business.
Oh, that is your major.
Yes, perfect. Next, Una.
This is a sentence. You say this when you finish university successfully.
Is it I graduated?
Yes, I graduated from university. Good. Next.
This is a phrase. You use it to talk about something you learned by yourself, from books or the internet, without a formal teacher.
Let me think. I am self-taught.
Excellent. Last one, Ina.
This is a question. You ask this to know about someone's time in high school. What was your favorite? What is the question?
That's easy for our listeners. What was your favorite subject?
Correct. Well done, Allie. And well done to all of you listening. You knew all the answers.
This shows how much you learned today. We are so proud of you.
Thank you so, so much for spending this time with us on World of English. You are an amazing learner.
Remember, practice is the key. Try to write 3 sentences about your education today. Say them out loud. You can do it.
We will be back soon with another helpful topic. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and be kind to yourself.
From both of us, Ina and Ali, goodbye and take care.
Goodbye.